Treasury custodian and his wife were just arrested in a major lottery scamming bust. We're talking $100 million in seized assets, including 4 luxury vehicles and 2 firearms. This couple, who lived in Caribbean Estate, St. Catherine, got taken into custody after an early morning police raid. Apparently, the authorities have been watching them for quite some time. So now, they're facing charges under the Proceeds of Crime Act and the Firearms Act. The real kicker? Lottery scammers are getting more violent, often being caught with firearms. What are your thoughts on this growing trend of violence connected to lottery scamming? Should stricter penalties be imposed? Or is there something else we should be focusing on? Now, let's shift gears to a lighter topic that will bring some serious nostalgia. Shabba Ranks' iconic track, Ting-a-Ling, is celebrating its 32nd anniversary. For over 3 decades, this song has been a staple in dancehall music, and it's still going strong, being sampled by huge names like Burna Boy and Nicki Minaj. Shabba's energy in the 80s and 90s made him an unforgettable figure in the dancehall scene. The track's playful lyrics and catchy beats continue to dominate, and it's even his top streaming song on Apple Music right now. Who else remembers jamming to Ting-a-Ling? Do you think dancehall has evolved for the better since then? Or is the golden era of the 90s unbeatable? And now for some drama straight off TikTok. Swiiss is clapping back at fellow TikToker Brittany Goff after she claimed he set up his own friend, Dawg, in a shooting incident. Swiiss was emotional during his live, saying that he could never hurt his friend and that these rumors were really getting to him. Dawg, who was shot in the hand, is recovering, but tragically, their friend Joe didn't make it. Swiiss feels guilty, believing that if he had been there that night, the tragedy could have been avoided. What do you all think? Are these TikTok beefs getting out of hand? Or is there more to this story than meets the eye? There's even more to this story. Audio from the 911 call made by Dawg has surfaced. In the call, you can hear his distress as he begs for help after being shot.
One of those 911 calls came from one of the victims who was shot at and his friend. Take a listen.
911, what's the address of the emergency?
One of the victims in an early Monday morning shooting in Miramar calling 911.
Miramar Parkway.
Police flooded by 911 calls from neighbors about a hail of gunfire in the area of Miramar Parkway and Southwest 62nd Avenue.
Okay, tell me what happened.
Shooting, I don't know. Come here, now.
Sir, stop screaming. I already have the call entered. Were you shot?
Yeah, I don't. My friend died.
Your friend was shot?
Yeah.
But when police showed up there, they found no one. Detectives ended up finding one man dead about a mile away near State
Heartbreaking
Road 7.
stuff. The police later found Joe, whose real name is Kay Flynn, in a nearby BMW. This all went down after a party in Florida, and it's just so tragic that another life has been cut short. What's your take on these violent incidents? Should more security measures be put in place at these events?
Bro, I'm gonna ask you now, bro, when you see me wear one shirt and the cross turned upside down, bro, and they say me sacrifice. Where does go for sacrifice, bro? May I sacrifice somebody to make a party for?
Surveillance tape captures this black BMW pulling over on the side of State Road 7 next to a police officer. The driver and a passenger get out, ask for help, and say a man who has been shot and killed is in back of the car. Police say the incident happened nearby, close to this Dunkin' Donuts at Southwest 62nd Avenue and Miramar Parkway.
I hear multiple gunshots, one after the other.
Patricia Riviera lives nearby.
Almost immediately after the gunshots, I would say within a minute or two at most, you could hear the police already responding.
Distraught family members showed up at the scene. They identified the victim as Kevin Flynn, a man in his 30s. A relative told us Flynn and his cousin were at a party the night before. Flynn's pregnant wife collapsed when she heard the news and had to be taken away by an ambulance. But we can tell you that we have new information of the man who was wounded. According to a woman who spoke with his uncle at social media accounts, the victim is a TikToker named Dawg. He is seen in this photograph. His first name is Akeem. He creates or appears in videos on TikTok. He was taken to Memorial Regional Hospital.
But he'll be fine. It's just that the bullets broke the bones in his hand, in his arm, so they're going to do a surgery to repair it. So yes.
Me never forgive you what you say about me. And the next girl upon the live was me set up the man. You know mad? Me never ever forgive you, bro. Me never forgive you, bro. I tell you, bro. Me never forgive you, bro. I swear upon my life. Me never forget you, bro. Never ever forgive you. I swear upon my life. I swear. And the next girl, whatever your name, me never forgive you either, bro. Every time I bring my friend come to Jamaica, bro. Bring my friend come to Jamaica. Let my friend enjoy himself. Ask the man them, bro. Ask 6 them, bro. Ask the whole of them, bro. If me not call them phone over and over, bro, no go to 6 them they around me. Donna them, Candy them, Rosalie. Ask the whole of them, bro. Ask Lulu them, Alanja them, Rebel. But no good every minute I call them, bro. Cause me make them there, bro. And me make them come to Kingston. Right round the clock, bro, I call them, bro. Ask any one of them. Them can't, every one of them I call Lulu round the clock. I call Alanja, I call 6, I call Candy, I call Donna. Right round the clock, bro. Till me know so them gone, but me know so them hide them out of my protection, know them good. Right round the clock. Ask them if I lie, me I tell. Check up on them as the party done. If my drive off left them, bro, no reaching. Spontaneity no reaching. Teamless no reaching. Cause I me make one there, bro. And once I'm reaching them text me and say, bro, I'm there home. I say, alright, good. I'm gonna set up my friend, bro. You know this certain place my friend get shot in a man and my next dog dead. Want you to me know, but come let me know him for 5 years, bro. The man dead left him pitney them, bro. The man dead left him youth in bro. The man dead left him pitney them in bro. And I get up and talk about set up. Set up. I'm gonna set up my friend, bro. You know this hurt me right now, bro. If you know some my friend them come to Jamaica, bro, and we look on the screen record, everybody have a laughter, bro. If you look on the screen record, there be a laugh, we a laugh, nobody not sad. And for wake up, bro, and hear so the man get shot in a man and the next dog dead. You know that feel? If you in a one happy moment and wake up back to a sad news. You know that feel for wake up to a happy moment, if you enjoy yourself and you wake up back and you see your friend get shot in a man, your friend could have lose his life. Right after my birthday, bro. Right after my birthday. Right now I live the whole house today right now. I talk about Jamaica and I laugh. And I talk about who this and what go on at the party and Ray bro, have a jolly time, bro. You know that feel, bro, right after my birthday, bro. My friend get shot in a man, broken bone. Broken bone, bro. You know that feel? When they start talk about sacrifice and set up. And just a spread, be a rumor, bro. Be a rumor and spread, bro. Be a rumor and spread. Everybody out there, bro, pray for the dog, thank you, bro. Everybody out there pray for the dog, thank you so much. Everybody who I pray, thank you so much, bro. But one thing me I tell you, Brit, me never forgive you, bro. And the next girl, never. I'm just leave you to God, mama. I have nothing more to say to you. But me I beg God as a Father God, just make sure everything just work out the right way. Nobody not argue, nothing after the party. Everybody just reach home, everybody have a nice time. Everybody just happy, everybody just be good. And boy, they was strong, bro. They was strong. They was strong, bro. Last night, me and the man were talking. Dawg reach. Dawg called me and say, yo, bro, I come back down to shoot the video with Ding Dong. It's alright, bro. I'm there. And this are the first time me ever come Jamaica and not go away quick. And I said to the Dawg, so yo, man, I stay at Jamaica for a minute. And now I go up here because I have something to sort out with my daughter. The Dawg said I stay at Jamaica a little bit more. The Dawg said I build at Jamaica a little bit more. The Dawg said, alright, bro. I go up and come back and come shoot the music video with Ding Dong. So don't cut. And I said, alright, I stay till I forward back. Then me I go back one time. And then this morning, I see the screen record. Somebody sent the screen record to me. When I check my phone, I see so much call from people I never see call me along. And all of them are Florida people, I just believe, so yo. I dey on the WhatsApp phone, I just believe say something happen. I go say boom and call Joe phone and Joe woman answer me. Answer me. Joe woman tell me say that gone, bro. Joe dead. He dead, bro. Them who the goat. And I ask you, bro. I never got Fort Lauderdale yet. And tell them say I not go and them not go. Them who the goat, bro. Them who the goat. Cause if me go there, bro, I say, bro, we just come from Jamaica, bro, me could just build. None of them this would happen, bro. None of this would happen to none of them, bro. None of them, bro. Them who the goat. Cause I say, bro, we just come in, bro. Me could go build in. Me could go sleep, bro. And I say, Father, go and go sleep with your knee, bro. And if you get up, bro, and yes, bro, the dog get shot in there, man. I have to enjoy the moment, bro. The moment today I enjoy myself, bro, the dog get shot in there, man. Joe dead. Right after my birthday, bro. We never forget Joe, bro. Never forget Joe, bro. Never forget, bro. I lose a friend right after my party. Last night we talked to the man, bro. Last night, bro. Hero reach, Hero call me, Hero talk to my mother. The dog say, yo, bro, thank you for everything, bro. Thank you for how you treat me, bro. Yeah. I enjoy myself, bro. I come back Thursday, bro. I come back Thursday, come enjoy myself, shoot the music video with Ding Dong and cut out back. And I say, alright, bro, there. Normally, I come to Jamaica for 3 days. I say, I go stay and sort out some things for my daughter, bro. And my daughter sick too. Yeah, I sort out some things with my daughter before I go away. And make sure she's good. Then I go back. And man them go out last night, bro. And then go out last night. I know what happened. I know what happened, bro. Greatest thing, bro. Father is alive, bro. Real Dawg is alive. Real Dawg is alive, bro. Joe should have there, bro. Joe should have there. Joe should have there, bro. Joe should have there, bro. Joe is like a bigger brother to her, bro. Joe make her alright, Joe make her good, Joe make her happy, bro. Joe not left her, bro. I'm just know the dog alright, bro. So the dog really realize that Joe dead for real. Up to now, I can't believe Joe dead. So the man really get up and see that Joe dead. And he really, because he's in a coma and in a surgery right now. He said he really wake up and see that Joe dead. And he really see that Joe dead, bro. I tell you, bro. Leave the shot to him, get him a go look pan. And he really see, bro, Joe is a brother, you know, bro. Joe is a, bro, right now I'm on a purpose to go to Florida, you know. Joe the hungry man has a purpose to make me go to Florida. And father. Joe the man that make me can't believe, bro. To know me can't believe. Can't believe, bro. Dawg get shot in that man and Dawg dead. Man for just there, bro. But the man is stay. You know why the man go up? The man say, bro, you know why me I go up Swiss? All of me youth them, bro. I grow them different from their mother. Them stay with their mother, bro. And this are the hungry baby we I grow with. And now make him 4 months past me. And that the man said to make him go up in the car. The man have a music video for shooting him. And I said, bro, just billing me, bro. I start out for Yara because my daughter sick. And the man looked at me and the man said to me, bro, I have to go up Swiss. I don't tell myself, say, bro, I nah miss nothing out of that baby alive. I nah miss nothing. In 4 months I come, I have to go up in 4 months. And I said, bro, remember before you tell me, you know, before you even meet, you need to look at me and tell me, say, bro, you see the next woman where you're there with, you now make the picnic grow with the mother alone. You grow with a father. You make the picnic grow with your father and a mother. That's why the man go up in, bro. That's why the man go up in, bro. Because of the baby, bro. The man go up because of his son, you know. The man said, bro, nah miss my son 4 months Swiss. I go up and bring up your neck, spend the baby 4 months and come back Thursday, bro. The man call everybody and tell them say I come back Thursday. Rami show the man I come back Thursday. Ding dong know I come back Thursday. My mother, my brother, everybody knows say the man I come back Thursday, bro. That the man have a music video for shoot. And these are the first me ever come to Jamaica and I go back quick. I not stay at Jamaica more than 3 days. The first, bro, I never come to Jamaica yet and stay for 3 days. We never come with people, them just come to Jamaica yet go back. I first, I said I stay, so I stay because of Yara, bro, because my daughter sick. Bad. My daughter sick bad. And I said I now go. And I wake up, bro, and hear some friend get shot in there, man. And my next friend dead. Broke his bone. And I hear a time, my father. And I hear a time, my father. And I hear a time, bro. And I hear a time, bro. And I hear a time, bro. I'm just dying for him, wake up, bro. And I hear a time, bro.